Hello everyone, hope you're doing wonderful today. Welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be a short and simple one. We're going to see how to stencil on a resin surface. Let's get started. I've already poured resin on the surface and it has been cured. So all I'm doing is placing the stencil and putting some tape to make sure it doesn't move. Next, I'm taking some glue. I'm using decoupage glue here. You can use any kind of glue. I'm taking it on a sponge and gently rubbing it all over the stencil. You can see here that as I'm rubbing the glue, it's not sticking to all the spaces because of the glossy surface of the resin. When the surface is still wet, I am putting glitter all over the stencil. Once you're done putting all the glitter colors, press it gently to the glue so that it sticks properly, and then slowly remove the stencil. We're going to try the same method one more time. The only difference is that I am sanding the resin surface first. So sand the resin surface, clean it, and then put your stencil over it. And then repeat the same process all over again. I feel that this method is slightly better than the previous one. The sanding certainly helps the glue to stick to the resin surface much better. This is my second method. So I've chosen a clear resin surface here and putting my stencil again. So here I am choosing a gel medium, an acrylic gel medium. So this is a paste, so I've not sanded the resin surface. Since it's not liquid like the glue, I'm hoping that it sticks to the resin surface properly without sanding it. At this point, while the gel is not yet dry, you can put in your glitters. For a change, I'm trying some mica powders just to see how it goes. The gel is not yet dry, but I'm removing the stencil slowly now. The gel has created a whole dimension here. So I'm going to allow this to completely dry before using some paint to color. I'm not really liking the mica powder, so I'm going to use some black acrylic to over it and then color this with black acrylic paint. Please note that I waited for the gel to completely dry before with black acrylic. Once the acrylic paint has dried, I'm moving over to the leaves, and for the leaves I am using some glass colors and alcohol inks. So we're going to see how the alcohol inks and glass colors work on this gel. The glass colors that I'm using are solvent based, so they will dry very fast. So both the alcohol ink and the glass colors are doing a good job on this gel. Okay, so that method did you prefer, guys? So guys, we are at around 2500 subscribers. Thank you so much for your continued support. You guys motivate me to put out a video every week. So please do subscribe, comment, like and share. I'll see you in the next one.